NSDC's eSkill India has joined hands with American India Foundation for enhancing employability skills and providing career guidance to college students through its course Essential Employability Skills for Indian Youth. You can follow 4 simple steps to enroll in this course. Step 1. Log in or register yourself on eSkill India portal. To enroll in the course, click on the above banner on eSkill India portal. The banner will appear on the eSkill India main page. In case banner is in motion or not visible, you can click on the corporate training button available to reach the NSDC AIF training program. If you have registered yourself before, you can log in and continue. But if you are a new user, click on sign up, fill all the details. You will need to verify your phone number or email ID. Once verified, click on I agree to terms and conditions. You have now completed the registration process. Now you can log in and enroll in the course. Step 2. Enter coupon code. After you have logged in, enter the coupon code and click submit. Step 3. Select course and language. The course is available in 2 languages. To do the course in English, click here. Kindly remember, you will not be able to change the language of the course after enrollment. Select the language of the course carefully. Click on Enroll. Click on OK. Step 4. Go through all the modules and clear the final exam to earn any certificate. After completing all the lessons in each module, you will have to give final assessment. Completing the final assessment is mandatory to complete the course and earn certificate. To give final exams, click on Final Exam. Each candidate will be given 3 attempts to clear the exam or improve the final score. The best score out of the 3 would be displayed on e-certificate. Now click on Quizzes. Click on Take Quiz and complete the quiz.
Yes, you're audible. Students, please reply to the questions that the host is asking. Sanjana is trying to understand कि आप लोगों को सुनाई दे रहा है या नहीं और आप किस लैंग्वेज में कंफर्टेबल हो, तो प्लीज थोड़ा सा रिप्लाई कीजिए जिससे थोड़ा ये समझ में आए.
Ma'am, we are comfortable in both the languages.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So, good morning to one and all present here. I am Sanjana Sharmacharya and I'll be host for you guys today. So, University of Mumbai's Karwari Institute of Career Education and Development, in association with American India Foundation and Dell Technologies, have organized this career guidance and counseling program on behalf of a director, Dr. Shivram Garve, and Assistant Director Srimati Shilpa Bodkar ma'am. AIS and Dell Technologies, I would like to welcome you all to this workshop. Also, we would like to express our gratitude towards Karamveer Bhaurao Patil College, their principal, Dr. V.A. Shivankar, also to Dr. Gurmeet Wadhwa, Ms. Latika Das, Dr. Balasaheb Murlidhar Munne, and Dr. Harshad Lakshman Jadhav. Due to them for giving us this opportunity for organizing this workshop for you all today. So moving forward with the workshop, may aap sabko, can you see the next slide? The next slide is visible, right?
Yes, it's visible.
So to beginning with, मैं आप सबको बताना चाहूँगी कि अमेरिकन इंडिया फाउंडेशन क्या है और उनका ये जो प्रोजेक्ट फ्यूचर रेडी है वो क्या है और हमारा जो मेन मोटिव है इस वर्कशॉप के पीछे वो क्या है. So American India Foundation is basically an NGO which is committed in improving the lives of India's underprivileged that focus on women, children and youth. In हम उनके life develop करने के पीछे ये उनका main motive है ये NGO का. So American India Foundation in association with University of Mumbai, Dell Technologies or NSDC, that is a National Skill Development Corporation, इन्होंने एक project launch किया है called as Project Future Ready. Now, what is this project? Now, the aim of this project is to make the future's workforce ready to enhance their employability skills, to give them an entrepreneurial mindset, and to provide college students with career guidance. So this is the main idea behind conducting this workshop. And I'm happy to announce, or I'm happy to state that AIF, that's American India Foundation, has successfully impacted 6.7 million lives across India. Now, moving forward with the presentation, as I said before starting, कि it would be very nice अगर हम ये workshop interactive कर पाए, ताकि मुझे समझे कि मैं जो भी बता रही हूँ आप लोगों को समझ रहा है और वो register हो रहा है. So before I begin with this, here is a small question for you guys. Yes, is anyone trying to say something? तो यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए. आप में से कोई मुझे बता सकता है कि जॉब और करियर के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है? अगर आप कंफर्टेबल हो तो आप अनम्यूट करके मुझे बता सकते हो, या फिर यू कैन राइट योर आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स आल्सो. रिपीट इट. आप में से कोई भी मुझे बता सकते हो कि जॉब और करियर के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है? Do I have any answers in chat box? Anyone reply this? Okay. So basically, when I say job जैसे एक काम होता है जो हमारे डेली नीड्स को पूरा करने के लिए हम वो काम करते हैं. बट wherein I say career is a long-term professional journey that we determine based on our passions. It is the path that we take to fulfill our professional goals and ambitions. हमारे जो लक्ष्य है, हमारा जो महत्वाकांक्षा है, उन सबको पूरी करने के लिए हमारा जो जर्नी होता है उसको हम करियर बोलते हैं. Now I believe जो maximum audience है वो TY और like you guys are in your graduating years, right? Right? Maximum audience I have is from the graduating year, right? Yeah. तो आप लोग ये चीज समझ सकते हो कि करियर प्लानिंग कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है और आपके लिए अभी करियर प्लानिंग कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होगा. So there are few steps that is important that you guys note while you're in the process of career planning. And before I begin, I believe that you all will agree that choosing a career is unquestionably one of the most important decisions you guys will ever make. These decisions will literally impact every facets of your life. वो हर एक हमारे जिंदगी के हर एक दौर और हम हर एक सिचुएशन को बहुत इम्पैक्ट करेगी. Hence, it is very important कि अगर कुछ डिसीजन हमारे लाइफ को इतना इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है, हम वो डिसीजन सावधानी से और बड़ी अच्छी तरीके से. So, note that there are 4 steps for career planning, which I will be discussing with you guys now. So the first step is to know yourself or self-assessment. Second is career exploration. Third, get focused. And fourth is to have an action plan. Now, when I say to know yourself or self-assessment, मैं जब बोल रही हूँ self-assessment or to know yourself, it means कि हम खुद को समझे. खुद को समझने का मतलब है हम समझे कि हमारा स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, हमारी वीकनेसेस क्या है, कौन सी चीज हमको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है, हमारे वैल्यूज क्या है, हमारे ट्रेड्स कौन से हैं, कौन सी चीजें करने में हमको मजा आता है. ये सारी चीज को हमें क्यों इम्पोर्टेंस देनी चाहिए? Only if you understand that what are your strengths and weaknesses, where does your interest lie, which is the thing that you enjoy the most while you do it, these things will determine your job profile. Hence, it is very important that you know your interest and personality to determine your job profile. Because at the end of the day, आप जो भी career pursue करोगे या जो भी job आप लोगे, ये बहुत important है कि वो करने में आपको मजा आए. It's not something that you want to do just for the sake of doing it, just for the sake of earning money. Yes, you all want to earn, but what could be like, it could be a cherry on top that you earn money while you enjoy what you're doing. Hence, it is very important that you self-assess. That's why I would like to say that self-assessment is always the most important and crucial part of career planning. So एक बार आपने आपका सेल्फ असेसमेंट कर लिया, हम हमारे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में जाएंगे, दैट इज एक्सप्लोर ऑप्शंस और हैविंग करियर एक्सप्लोरेशन। एक बार आपको समझ जाता है कि आपका इंटरेस्ट क्या है, आपकी पर्सनालिटी कैसी है, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है, आपकी वीकनेसेस क्या है, आपके लिए बहुत इजी हो जाता है एक्सप्लोर करना कि बाहर कौन सी करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज है बेस्ड ऑन माय स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेसेस। अभी आप में से कुछ लोगों को आफ्टर यू कंप्लीट योर ग्रेजुएशन यू वुड लाइक टू परस्यू जॉब और सम ऑफ यू वुड लाइक टू डू फर्दर एजुकेशन। तो आप कुछ भी नहीं करना चाहोगे, आप रिसर्च करना चाहोगे कि कौन से अपॉर्चुनिटीज या क्या क्या ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है। So it is very important that you do a thorough research of all the occupational research and what are options do you have. Please excuse me for this background disturbance. Yeah, so where was I? Yeah, so it is very important that once you have done your self-assessment, you move forward and you do a thorough research. You do a thorough research of what all opportunities you have for yourself. तो एक बार आपने ये दोनों स्टेप्स कर लिए, हमारा थर्ड ऑब्वियस स्टेप बन जाता है टू सेट अ गोल। नाउ आई बिलीव पर्सनली दैट अनलेस एंड अंटिल हम कोई हमारा गोल सेट नहीं करते, वी डोंट रिमेन मोटिवेटेड। हेंस टू रिमेन मोटिवेटेड एंड टू बी फोकस्ड, इट इज important that you set a goal. So the third step being obvious, that you set a goal and take appropriate steps towards remaining focused towards your goal and not shifting your focus from it. The fourth step being, just give me a moment, please. Hello. I'm extremely sorry for the background disturbance. Okay. Now continuing. जब ओके अब आप ये 3 स्टेप्स कंप्लीट कर लेते हो तो हम हमारे 4th स्टेप के टुवर्ड्स जाते हैं, दैट इज टेकिंग एन एक्शन प्लान। आप फिक्सिंग अ प्लान टुवर्ड्स अचीविंग योर गोल। नाउ व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट एक्शन प्लान, I believe you all know the importance of gaining experience. अभी आप अपना आपका जो कोर्स कर रहे हो, yes, you get the theoretical knowledge of it and everything, but unless and until you don't get experience on industrial base, you don't really understand how does an industry or corporate works. Hence, it is very important and it's a very crucial step of your having an action plan is to gain experience. Now, gain experience meaning take as much as internship opportunities you can. अभी वो उसका ड्यूरेशन कम हो या ज्यादा हो, वो पेड हो या अनपेड हो, वो जरूरी नहीं। एक्सपीरियंस लेना काफी जरूरी होता है बिकॉज आप उससे समझ आते हो, आपको समझ आता है कि आपने जो कुछ भी आपके कोर्स में पढ़ा है वो आप इंडस्ट्री में कैसे अप्लाई करोगे, उसका एक्चुअल एप्लीकेशन कैसे होता है। Hence, it is very important that you must gain experience as much as you can. Now, talking about action plan and gaining experience, आप लोगों को ये ऐप पता है LinkedIn? I'll just put it into the chat so that you can. I'm sorry, I missed the message from Rigved. I'm sorry. Now I have written the name of an app. Do you know what this app is? Anyone can write their answers in the chat box or they can unmute themselves. आपको पता है ये ऐप का मेन मोटिव क्या है? अगर आप TY graduation. Sorry, I cannot hear you.
मुंबई आया वाह, फिर कब ये करने वाला है?
This person
आते हैं आप पे
तो मैं वो भी ऑन लिंक्डइन। तो आप बता सकते हो कि ये लिंक्डइन ऐप का मेन मोटिव क्या है? क्यों, अगर आपने ऐप डाउनलोड किया है, आपने ये ऐप क्यों डाउनलोड किया है? I have received a lot of yes from people. Why did you downloaded this app, or what is the use of this app? Anyone? I just need one reply. Hello, guys. For searching job and all. Correct. The primary motive of using LinkedIn is right, searching job and all. But this app is also very useful to connect with your employers. And it is very important to understand that you connect with your employers. It is very important that you understand कि आप जिस इंडस्ट्री में एंटर करना चाहते हैं वो इंडस्ट्री का ट्रेंड्स क्या है, क्या न्यूज चल रहा है, या फिर क्या 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 हो रही है वो इंडस्ट्री. Hence, via LinkedIn, you can not only apply for jobs and understand what jobs are available, but it is also a beautiful app to understand all of the different. Why? You can still see the PPT, right? Hello. मेरी PPT दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So, yeah, when I was talking about connect with employers and LinkedIn, so LinkedIn is not only a good app for, जहाँ पे आप अपनी jobs ढूंढ सकते हो, but you can also understand the industrial trends and also you can connect with your employers. And this is one of the very crucial steps for your action plan. ये बहुत जरूरी होता है कि आपको एक क्लियर पिक्चर रहे कि आप जिस इंडस्ट्री में जाना चाहते हो वहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है, हर एक चीज का अपडेट्स आपके पास रहे. It's nothing like that we are associated with the app. But when I was talking about action plan and connect with employees, this is something that you should remember, that through this app you can also connect with your employees and you can have a thorough industrial understanding of the thing that you want to pursue further. Now moving forward to the next slide. Okay. Now career mentoring interest. अभी इसके पहले वाले स्लाइड में जब मैं करियर प्लानिंग के बारे में बात कर रही थी और बता रही थी कि सेल्फ एक्सप्लोरिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, आप अपने इंटरेस्ट और पर्सनालिटी को समझो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Career mentoring test helps you for that. So basically, this career mentoring test provides you a better insights of your personality and interest, which help you further making a more precise decision for choosing your career option. तो अब ये शॉर्ट या आप एक शॉर्ट टेस्ट या लॉन्ग टेस्ट के कॉम्बिनेशन में आप ये टेस्ट दे सकते हो. इसके 2 पार्ट्स होते हैं. बेसिकली टेस्ट which is based on your interest and the second one which will be focusing on your personality. So this is just a gist जो मैं आपको दे रही हूँ ये career mentoring test के बारे में. Further, we'll look on much in detail about this test and also we'll take upon this test. Okay, now I would like to show you a video. मैं एक वीडियो प्ले करूंगी, प्लीज मुझे बताइएगा अगर आपको साउंड सुनाई दे रहा है, एंड प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो वेरी केयरफुली. I'm sorry I missed the message from Nikhil where he says also can be used it for business development. Yes, you're right. The app also can be used for that. Okay. I'll be sharing a video. Please let me know अगर आपको स्क्रीन दिख रहा है. Can you see the web screen?
Yes.
Please let me know अगर आपको can you hear the voice also?
NSDC's eSkill India has joined hands with American India Foundation for enhancing employee ability skills and providing career guidance.
You can hear the voices. You can hear the voice, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
To college students through its course Essential Employability Skills for Indian Youth. You can follow 4 simple steps to enroll in this course. Step 1. Log in or register yourself on eSkill India portal. To enroll in the course, click on the above banner on eSkill India portal. The banner will appear on the eSkill India main page. In case banner is in motion or not visible, you can click on the corporate training button available to reach the NSDC AIF training program. If you have registered yourself before, you can log in and continue. But if you are a new user, click on sign up, fill all the details. You will need to verify your phone number or email ID. Once verified, click on I agree to terms and conditions. You have now completed the registration process. Now you can log in and enroll in the course. Step 2. Enter coupon code. After you have logged in, enter the coupon code and click submit. Step 3. Select course and language. The course is available in 2 languages. To do the course in English, click here. Kindly remember, you will not be able to change the language of the course after enrollment. Select the language of the course carefully. Click on Enroll. Click on OK. Step 4. Go through all the modules and clear the final exam to earn any certificate. After completing all the lessons in each module, you will have to give final assessment. Completing the final assessment is mandatory to complete the course and earn certificate. To give final exams, click on Final Exam. Each candidate will be given 3 attempts to clear the exam or improve the final score. The best score out of the 3 would be displayed on e-certificate. Now click on Quizzes. Click on Take Quiz and complete the quiz.
Okay, so this was a short video from NSTC, that's National Skill Development Corporation. I hope आप लोगों ने ये बड़े ध्यान से देखा होगा. Moving forward with the workshop, I'll also talk much in detail about it further. Can you see my PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see this image?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you tell me what is wrong with this image? आपको कुछ अलग या कुछ गलत लग रहा है इस पिक्चर में?
Yes, bridge should be on the river.
Please.
Correct. Right. Can I get who just answered?
Devendra.
David. Okay. So you're absolutely right. You noticed it, right? That the bridge should be originally on the river, but it's beside it. Now, giving you a quick background about this picture is that the river that you see, that is the river Choluteca from Honduras. So in 1996, the government of Central America, they came up with this brilliant architectural plan that they'll construct a bridge that would be so strong that it would withstand any storm or hurricane. So that's how they came up in constructing this bridge. Now, a year later, Central America was hit by the second deadliest storm. Everything was destroyed, everything was devastated, but this bridge remained as it is. It literally had no set of the hurricane or the storm. Now, due to the hurricane and the destruction that happened, what happened with the river is the river changed its course. It formed a new channel and the river started to flow from there. And that is how the bridge remained aside from the river. So what do we learn from this Choluteca bridge, or what is the lesson that we learn from this bridge is very relevant at today's time? I'll tell you how. The world is changing in a ways that we may have never imagined. The dynamics of it are changing like never before. It is important that we all know that no matter how good our current solutions are, or no matter how good we are doing currently or presently, it is important that we need to be far-sighted and focus on the larger picture as well. अभी आप जो भी कोर्स आप प्रेजेंट में कर रहे हो या जो भी बिजनेस आप अभी प्रेजेंट में कर रहे हो, no matter how good it is, no matter how good and how no matter how best it is doing for yourself, but it is important that you ask yourself ki few years down the line, if something goes wrong, are you ready for it? If something goes not as if something goes down the way or something changes as you didn't plan for, do we have a plan B? Do we have a solution for it? Or are we ready for it? Hence, it is very important to know that not only we have to be future ready, but most importantly, we have to be change ready as well. It is important that we adapt to the changes that happen around us constantly. Now, giving you a classic example of this, we are familiar with the brand Nokia, right? Right? We know the brand Nokia, right? Yes, right. We know how popular and how much did it rule the market in its times. But what happened with the time? It couldn't adapt to the changes and the technologies that were coming in. And consequently, it didn't survive the market. And it was kicked out of the market. Similarly, something such a huge brand and master in its time like Nokia, if they were reluctant towards adapting to the changes that were happening and they were kicked out of the market with Presley, the same can be happened to us also. So today, it is important to know and understand कि आप बस future ready मत रहो, आप change ready भी रहो. Not only to survive the market, but also to remain at the top of the market, it is important that you have foresight and you focus on the larger picture as well. Okay, now this brings me to my next topic or my next point, that is employability. Now, the difference between being employable and employability is basically a set of achievements or skills or understanding and personal attitudes that make someone more likely to gain employment and be successful in the chosen occupation, which obviously benefits themselves, the workforce, and the community in general. Now, what are employability skills? When I talk about employability skills, these are basically a set of skills which are very generic, which are core skills and traits that is being needed at every job. These are the skills that are required while you will be pursuing your job. So when I talk about these skills are looked forward by every hiring manager. They look forward to their employees in having these skills. Now, in this presentation, we'll move forward and see which are some of these employability skills which are very important and it is necessary that you guys develop, build, and have an ace on it. The first one being adaptability and flexibility. And ability to be flexible and adapt to change is vital because whether you like it or not, whether I like it or not, change will be a very big part of the new era of work. Now, talking about today's situation, in the era of this pandemic and all of these viruses, we never imagined that the entire workforce or the entire systems or entire semester, in case of yours, will be shifted online. For years and years, हम physical classroom में बैठते थे, lectures attend करते थे, हम physical work environment में बैठते थे, offices में बैठते थे और हम हमारा काम करते थे. एक virus और एक pandemic की वजह से everything shifted to online. जो हमने से किसी ने नहीं सोचा था ये कभी होगा, but it happened. In this case of in the case of these changes, a lot of people lost their job. This is This is something we all are aware of. But today, only those people have those jobs who can survive this change. ये चेंज को जो सर्वाइव कर पाए और जो इस चेंज को अडेप्ट कर पाए and can embrace it flexibly are the only one who are surviving in the market. Hence, it is very important that you have to be adaptable to the changes that are happening around you. And also mind me that the employers that are sitting out there, they are also looking forward to those employees who look forward to these changes as an opportunity for growth and innovation. So you don't only disregard to the changes that are happening, but those people who see to these changes as an opportunity for their growth and platform for more innovation and creative thinking are the only people who survive and move ahead in their occupation. So throughout this pandemic, we have likely faced and overcome a lot of adversities and challenges. We all have had our own challenges while shifting or while adapting to the changes that are happening. Good. But time simultaneously we got accustomed to it. Hence, we should take time to acknowledge how our mindset may have shifted to recent weeks and months, and how all of these skills can be incorporated at your workplace. Now, moving forward to the next, that is communication and emotional intelligence. So, before I speak about this skill, I have a question for you guys. Can you guys tell me what is empathy? Or if someone can tell me what is the difference between a sympathy and empathy? कोई भी unmute कर सकता है या फिर आप अपनी जवाब chat box में भी you can enter. Do I have anything to chat box? Guys, I'll repeat my question once again. आप में से किसी को empathy का मतलब क्या है? तो पता है? EMPATHY. I cannot see my chat box. I'm sharing. So if I have any messages, please let me. Guys, are you all awake, right?
Experiencing
Yes,
someone
yes.
else's feelings.
Yeah. Yes, sorry.
Understanding feelings of someone.
Okay. Do I have more answers? I will agree with you partially. Yeah.
Someone else's feelings is empathy.
Okay. Correct.
And understand someone's feelings is sympathy.
Okay. Whoever just answered now, you are correct. I agree with you. Sympathy is something when you feel sorry for something, or when you feel bad for something. But when I speak about empathy is about when you put yourself in someone's shoes, you feel what's wrong with them, and you try to understand what is the situation for that person. Hence, you have a more personal connect or touch with the person. If someone is in mood, can you please move one step? Okay. Yeah. Now, why did I mention about the word empathy? And I mean, why is it important? And why is it important in a job environment? Or क्यों important होता है किसी भी corporate sector या एक job workspace? Communication and emotional intelligence is a very significant skill you need to have. Now, why is it important? Or why is it important that you must have an emotional intelligence? Or why you have to be empathetic towards your colleague or your coworker? You should be aware of emotional intelligence skill where you should demonstrate empathy and show deep respect towards your co-workers' emotion. Now, when I tell that why is it important that you must have this emotional intelligence skill and you must know कि हमको ये कहाँ पे demonstrate करना चाहिए. Because when you have an ability or capability to show empathy towards your co-worker, it not only improves your relationship with the co-worker, but it also helps to build the trust and loyalty between them. And in a work environment, trust and loyalty is very important to produce a productive and efficient result. Hence, nevertheless, it won't be wrong if I say an empathetic leadership style can make everyone feel like a team. Second, it can increase productivity, morale, and loyalty of your team. Hence, it is very important that you develop emotional intelligence and also be able to show empathy towards your co-worker. Now, talking about communication skill, needless to say, it is very important that how much importance does communication skill have in every phase of our life. When I'm talking about having a good communication skill, it is a very essential tool in achieving productivity and second, maintaining strong working relationships at all levels of an organization. And this has been particularly important since the outbreak of pandemic has forced many people to work from home. Hence, clarity in emails and virtual meetings is a must to cement trust and retain high productivity. While we all were in physical classrooms or we all were working in physical environment, communication was much more easier. Hence, it was easy कि हम हमारे opinions and suggestions एक दूसरे के सामने रख पाए and put it in place. It was very easy for us. But now, while everything has been shifted work from home or classroom from home, it is a bit of a challenge now. Because being able to put forward your opinion suggestions in a precise manner in virtual meetings or through emails, it's very important. Hence, it is very important that you develop good communication skills. Now, moving forward to the next skill, that is teamwork and collaboration. Abhi, minding that you guys are in your TYs or in your graduating years, आप सबको group projects तो हुए होंगे, right? आप सबने कोई ना कोई group project तो throughout the course किया ही होगा, right? Even if it not in course, once in your lifetime आपने group project तो किया ही होगा, correct? Yes or no? I have a chat, but I'm really sorry I'm not. Do I have any chats? Okay. A lot of people say yes. Now, when you have been a part of a group project, can you tell me what are the benefits of working in a team? I mean, why do people? I mean, आप individually भी काम कर सकते हो. आपको team group projects क्यों दिया जाता है? आपको क्यों बोलते हैं कि आप group में रहो और आप group पे काम करो? Work get simple done. Okay. Increases innovation. Wonderful. Exchanges ideas. Beautiful. Okay. Now you have made my explanation much more easier now. Okay. When I talk about team improves productivity. Correct. Brilliant. Okay. Now when I say you have to work in teamwork, all this point which has been put forward, exchange of ideas, improve productivity, works get simply done, develop teamwork or team building skill, very good. Teamworks help us with all of those things. Yes, of course, it improves productivity. Yes, of course, it helps in exchanges of ideas. We get to learn a lot from our team members. And most importantly, it builds the skill of teamwork or gets a team player, builds trust, right? Correct. The most important thing in working in teamwork is that you work in a team where you don't know your team members, where you're not familiar with. Hence, coming out of your comfort zone is a very important point that you must be aware of and you must be comfortable in. बिकॉज हम जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं जरूरी नहीं होता है कि आसपास जो हम जिसके साथ काम करने वाले हैं वो हमारे दोस्त ही हो it happens a lot of time when you don't know who will be going to be your team members or with whom are you going to work or what are their working style or what are their thoughts or how do they work it happens a lot of time where the idea of working together or the way of working together doesn't match. And this is a challenge and an opportunity for you where you can increase your team building skills and also you can come out of your comfort zone and work together. That is a challenge where you come out of your comfort zone, where you're not familiar with your team members, yet you deliver a productive and efficient work. Hence, teamwork is very important and it is a skill that you must develop and grow. When I talk about collaboration, we all are familiar with social media. We all are familiar with YouTube. We all are familiar with all social media influencers. Where we see a common word between them. I'm collaborating with this influencer. I'm collaborating with this content creator. Today, along with competition, the biggest C that is arriving or that's coming up, that's collaborate. It's very important that you collaborate, not only because you get to learn a lot, but also you get to learn a lot from the mistakes. It is very important that you learn what things has to be done and what not to be done. And while collaboration, you not only exchange ideas, but you also get to learn a lot from each other's mistakes and you have a better solution, problem solving skills developing. I have an answer from Bhagya Lakshmi saying because of group project work done fastly and innovation of new ideas being make a project different from other. Yes, you are right. हम जब चार लोगों के साथ बैठते हैं काम करते हैं हम चार लोगों को नहीं जानते चार लोगों की चार different ideas होते हैं and then all of these ideas come together. Yes, of course, we deliver a much more innovative, productive, and creative work, which is different from others. So needless to say, आप सबको पता है टीम वर्क का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस होता है टीम बिल्डिंग में से क्या क्या आपको हेल्प हो सकता है. So this is something that we all must develop and focus while we are moving ahead in our careers. You can't see my PPT, right? You can see my PPT?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Forward to the next skill, that is leadership. Now, it is important to know that a leader is not only a good team player, but it is someone also who plays a vital role in building and leading the entire team. Now, in previous slide where we were talking about working in team and teamwork, अगर एक team है तो obviously leader भी होगा. Now, what are the importance? Now, when we talk about leader, obviously there comes a lot of important responsibilities that comes unseen with a leader. Being a leader, it is very important that you understand what is your team, who are your team members, what are the skills and weaknesses of your team members, and you assign the work to them accordingly, so that at the end of the day, you receive a productive, efficient, and a top-notch result. Now, to be a successful leader, it is important that you cultivate your leadership style or acquire a new one. Okay, with time and experience, you can develop your own leadership style, which works best for you, your team, and your business. Now, moving forward with next, that is time management. Now, it is often seen that we tend to procrastinate and decide to work later. अभी हमको कुछ काम दिया जाता है अगर आपको कुछ प्रोजेक्ट दिया गया हो या कुछ असाइनमेंट दिया गया हो हम तुरंत कभी काम करने नहीं बैठते हम थोड़ा टाइम पास करेंगे हम एक हफ्ता 2 दिन 4 दिन एक हफ्ता जब उसका डेडलाइन आता है we often work 1 week or in some people cases 2 days prior. But this is something which will not be entertained in a workplace. Hence, it is very important that you understand the importance of time management. And quote this, time is money. कोई भी इंसान आपको अपना टाइम फ्री में नहीं देगा और mind me if you lose your time it's lost, it's never going to come again. Hence आपको जो भी काम दिया जाता है या whatever work you have been assigned with, it's important that you understand and you manage it accordingly so that all of your works have been done in time. Now when I talk about time management, it's all about finding the right balance. Abhi, no matter how much of a workaholic you are, it is important that you find the right balance between your professional and your personal life so that you remain sane, so that you have and presence at all sectors of your life. So time management is all about finding the right balance. So it is important that you guys understand how to manage your work and at the same time how to give equal importance and time to your personal and your professional life as well. Moving forward to the next, that is stress management. Abhi, we are talking to all of this time we were talking about employability skills, employment, work environment, corporate area. There is no workspace in this universe where there is no stress. अगर आप इमेजिन कर रहे हो कि आपको एक स्ट्रेस फ्री जॉब होगा, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. हर काम में एक पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट ऑफ स्ट्रेस रहता ही है. किसी को ज्यादा है, किसी को कम है. That again depends on the level of work you're doing or at which level of the organization you're working at. What is important here is that you learn to manage this stress. Now we see a lot of people are being contacted with a lot of diseases because of stress. Migraine issues or stress problems or headache problems or whatever diseases they are contacting with, the main problem is because of stress. So it is very important that we learn to manage your stress. Have a habit of getting exercises, doing some meditating, whatever works best for you. But it is very important that you learn to manage your stress so that you can deliver your work efficiently and at the same time you remain sane. आप अपने मुशावरत में आपको ज़्यादा negative effect नहीं हो. खुद का personal, mental, emotional health भी काफी important होता है. So it is very important that you learn how can you manage your stress by developing certain practices like doing stretching or exercising or doing meditating or cultivating a certain hobby or doing something that you have left far behind but you enjoy doing it. Doing all of these things will definitely divert your stress and also will benefit you mentally and physically. Now moving forward to the next, that is digital communication. Needless to say that today everything has become digital. Right from your work, right from your lectures, everything has been shifted to internet. The popularity of the digital workplace is growing due to health concerns with pandemic. Now, a year ago, we all thought that having a physical work environment is very, very important. Now, due to the pandemic and work from home, we are soon realizing that एक फिजिकल सेटअप होना जरूरी नहीं होता बिकॉज जो काम एक फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट में हो रहा है वही काम वर्क फ्रॉम होम भी हो रहा है. Hence, there is a possibility that everything being shifted digitally. It is very important that you need to be up to date with all the skills of digital communication and latest technologies and with different medias and online platforms for conferencing. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to work in current times and remain up to date. Hence, digital communication over internet, it is very important at today's time. And hence, to make that communication same effective and productive, it is important that you develop right digital communication skills. Now, moving forward to next, that is data literacy. Data literacy is nothing but your ability to analyze the data. When we talk about jobs, when we talk about a work environment, we have been lathered with tons and tons of data. It is very important that we know कि हम वो data को किस तरीके से analyze करें. उस data को analyze, interpret, समझने के बाद हम उसको अच्छी तरीके से segregate करना भी आना चाहिए. Hence, it is very important that we have a clear information about the data. It is important that we have the ability to analyze and interpret and get a perfect result out of it. Hence, data literacy is also a skill that you have to pay close attention to and develop it with time and experience. Now, all including the PPT, all of the skills that we discussed today about adaptability and flexibility being very important, digital communication being very important and relevant in today's time. It is important that you know all of these skills are going to help you in a bigger picture. And accordingly, all of these skills are going to make you more employable and more likely to get employed. So have a good hold to it. There are various courses available where you can learn to develop the skills. Now talking about when I spoke about the NSDC course, you guys remember, right? मैंने तुमको एक video दिखाया था. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
About NSDC course. I believe आप सबको एक mail आया होगा about an NSDC coupon. Can anyone let me know कि yes, I have received a mail? Please check your emails and let me know that you guys have received an NSDC का coupon code. Hello guys.
Yes.
Okay. No. Okay, then you will receive an mail of an NSDC coupon code. Now I'll send a link into the chat box. I would appreciate if you guys go into the link and open the link. Just a second. Okay. So ये पूरा employability skills that I spoke about now, this NSDC has a course. Now this NSDC provides a course which I am just copy pasting a link into the chat box. I would appreciate if you guys open it. Can you see the link? Okay. So all of those employability skills that I just spoke now and told you that how important it is and how much it's make you more likely to gain employment. NSDC, that is National Skill Development Corporation, they have designed a course which helps you to develop all of these skills, and plus you receive a certification of it. So I would like that if I would share the screen and I would tell you that how can you register for the same. In the video, it has shown you a way of registering, but I would like to explain it to you about it. आपको स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आप लोगों ने वो लिंक ओपन किया?
Yes.
आपको एक सिमिलर पेज दिख रहा होगा, right?
Yes.
Now I would ask you guys to enroll yourself for the same. Now, here are the certain details आपको भरना है, as a first name, last name, mobile number, email ID, select gender, year of birth, state, password, and all of those. प्लीज डू इट विद मी सो दैट आई लेट यू नो कि जब आपको NSDC का कूपन कोड आएगा मेल पे, जो टू माई नोटिस आई थिंक आपको आ जाना चाहिए था, बट इट्स ओके, अगर आपको नहीं आया है तो आपको आ जाएगा 1-2 दिन में। आप वो NSDC कूपन कोड कहाँ पे आप एंटर करोगे ताकि यू कैन एनरोल योरसेल्फ फॉर दिस कोर्स एंड यू कैन take up this course. The best thing about this course is आप इसको हिंदी में भी कर सकते हो, languages provided होगी, आप उस पे कर सकते हो, but I would do it. Can you guys do it with me? अगर आपके मोबाइल या सेकेंड डिवाइस पे हो तो आप ये मेरे साथ कर सकते हो. Is that possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here you will enter your name, your last name. You will enter your mobile number. You will enter your email ID. यहाँ पे you're getting an option of verify, right? Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah, you have to click on this. तो आपको एक OTP आएगा आपकी email ID पे. Okay, so once you have received an OTP, आप वो OTP वहाँ पे डाल के अपना email ID जो है वो register करोगे. Then you have to select this rest of the details, and again you have to send your hello. Sorry, I got muted and I was just speaking with myself. Okay. तो आप यहाँ पे अपना मोबाइल नंबर आप यू पुट इट, एंड अगेन आपको यहाँ पे वेरीफाई करने का ऑप्शन आएगा. तो आप वेरीफाई यू गेट वेरीफाइड विद योर मोबाइल नंबर. यू सिलेक्ट योर बर्थ ईयर. ओके. Ma'am, can you repeat again? Okay, from where do you want me to repeat?
Can you start from the beginning?
So you guys did you guys click on the link that I've sent you on the chat? Once you click on that link, ये वाला पेज आएगा. ओके, यहाँ पे जो डिटेल्स दिए गए हैं आपको वो फिल करना है. नेम, आई एम डूइंग इट विद यू सो दैट यू कैन हैव अ बेटर पिक्चर एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दैट. आपको अपना नाम डालना है, लास्ट नेम डालना है. Now you can see a note. You can use either your mobile number or email ID to sign up. You can add your email ID here. Get it verified. When you click on the verify, आपको एक OTP आएगा आपकी email पे. तो आपको वो email ID, वो OTP आपको यहाँ पे डाल के you have to verify your email ID. Now I have been already registered with this, so it doesn't apply to me. But however, आप जब यहाँ पे अपना email ID डालोगे और verify पे click करना मत भूलना. आपको एक OTP generate करके आपकी email ID पे आएगा. आपको वो OTP यहाँ पे डालना है and you have to get yourself verified. Then you have to continue with doing the rest of the information. जैसे कि आपका gender, state में you will obviously select Maharashtra. Or at whatever part of the world you are. आपको यहाँ पे आपका पासवर्ड डालना है. You have to re-enter the password. You have to click on this I accept terms and conditions of NSDC. Okay, I have already been into it. Just give me a second. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So once you log in, आपको यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन आएगा टू एंटर योर कूपन कोड. तो आपकी रजिस्टर्ड ईमेल आईडी पे we'll be sending an NSDC कूपन कोड. आपको वो कूपन कोड यहाँ पे डाल के सबमिट करना है and you can take up the course. To take up the course, you have to click on this corporate training. वहाँ पे the first option is NSDC AIF online program. आपको वहां पे क्लिक करके ये ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम के लिए ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम यू कैन टेक. देयर आर लिस्ट ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस जो आपको चाहिए. आप व्हाटएवर यू कैन ईदर डू इट इन इंग्लिश और हिंदी. तो आप ये यू कैन क्लिक इट एंड यू कैन सी इट. मैं वो वीडियो का लिंक्स आई विल सेंड इट इनटू द चैट बॉक्स सो दैट in your time when you do it you can easily see to the video and then follow the steps. Okay. ये जो लिंक यहाँ पे दिया है that is of the video वाला link that I showed you earlier. So if you guys had any problem with logging in later, you can do it. अभी किसी ने मेरे साथ login किया है? Did anyone try doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you log in successfully?
Yes.
Okay. So आपको वो NSDC coupon code वाला option दिखाया, right? Hello.
Sorry, what?
The registered the monologue where it was showing to add your coupon code, वो वाला page दिख रहा है, right?
Yes.
So okay. So I would like to that you guys please check again because as far as I know, the coupon code have been sent to you. If not, then you'll receive it. You have to add that NSDC coupon code here, submit, and you can take start the program. Okay. Anyone have any doubt with the login procedure and with the coupon code stuff?
हेलो मैम, कूपन कोड का किधर है?
आपने लॉगिन किया?
यस मैम, किया.
ओके, तो लॉगिन करने के बाद ये पेज ऑटोमेटिकली जनरेट होके आता है. इफ नहीं तो मैं पेज का लिंक आपको सेंड करती हूँ, यू लॉग इन टू दिस पेज, आपको वापस आ जाएगा। आपको ये वाला पेज दिख रहा है, आप ये लैपटॉप पे कर रहे हो या मोबाइल पे कर रहे हो?
मोबाइल पे कर रहा हूँ।
ओके, तो आपको ऐसा वाला एक सिमिलर पेज नहीं आया क्या?
No,
नहीं
ma'am.
मैम, डायरेक्ट फ्री कोर्स का ऐसा ऑप्शंस आया है।
ओके,
व्यू इन डेस्कटॉप मोड तब दिखेगा।
मैम रजिस्ट्रेशन आज ही करना है?
यस पॉसिबली, अगर आप आज करोगे तो बेहतर होगा।
बिकॉज
मैम कोर्स
ईमेल पे
वाला
वो पासवर्ड नहीं आ रहा है, इसीलिए वो
मैम
टुमारो
कोर्स वाला
दिखा रहा
पेज खुल गया, उसमें क्या करें अब?
सॉरी,
मैम कोर्स वाला पेज खुल चुका है, उसमें क्या करना है अब?
आपको कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग ऊपर मेरे पेज पे दिख रहा है, देखो, कैन यू सी कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग वाला ऑप्शन हियर ऊपर एकदम?
एक
मैम मेरे ईमेल में दिखा रहा है कल दिखा ओटीपी आएगा करके, 2 यूजेस हो गया इसीलिए।
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, देन टू व्हेनेवर द ओटीपी कम्स आप तभी लॉग इन कीजिए, बिकॉज़ अभी आप नहीं कुछ कर सकते।
ओके, कल किया तो चलेगा ना?
या
ओके, थैंक यू।
हेलो मैम, कूपन कोड का आ गया ऑप्शन।
आ गया ना? तो आपको
Yes.
मेल आएगा गरवानी इंस्टीट्यूट से अबाउट द एनएसडीसी कूपन कोड। तो आपको वो कूपन कोड यहाँ पे एंटर करके सबमिट करना है, एंड देन आपको ये ऑनलाइन कोर्स ले सकते हो। टू टेक अप द ऑनलाइन कोर्स, यहाँ पे ऊपर आपको कहीं पे कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग करके एक ऑप्शन दिखेगा, दिख रहा है क्या स्क्रीन पे?
यस यस मैम।
ओके, अब वहां पे क्लिक कीजिए, आपका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन होगा एनएसडीसी एआईएफ ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम, आप उस पे क्लिक कीजिए एंड देन यू टेक अप द प्रोग्राम एंड देन यू कंटिन्यू विद द इशू। यहाँ पे आप कूपन कोड डाल के सबमिट कीजिए एंड देन यू कैन स्टार्ट इट। अभी आई डोंट हैव अ कूपन कोड, अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव शोड यू, बट whenever you receive a coupon code, just enter it, submit, and then you can start with the online program. To start the program, it is important आपको कूपन कोड हो, उसके लिए आप इम्पोर्टेंट देखिए, आप रजिस्टर कीजिए।
कोड ईमेल पे आएगा क्या?
हाँ जी,
Hmm.
एक्चुअली बच्चों, आपके ना ईमेल पे ऑलरेडी आया होगा कूपन कोड, आपको एक ईमेल आया होगा गरवारे इंस्टीट्यूट की तरफ से। तो अगर कल रात को चेक कीजिए, AIF के ईमेल आईडी से आया होगा, देखो ईमेल। तो एक बार चेक करो, आज कल रात को आया होगा या फिर आज सुबह आया होगा। नहीं, जिनको नहीं आया उनको आज शाम तक आ जाएगा।
So we can leave the meeting.
no, the main important part is still going to ये जो ईमेल आईडी है, ये ईमेल आईडी से यू माइट हैव रिसीव्ड योर एनएसडीसी कूपन कोड। इफ यू कैन, आपकी ईमेल आईडी पे अगर आप ये सर्च करोगे तो यू कैन फाइंड इट। ओके, सो एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट विद द registration and NSDC coupon code doubt?
I think Nikhil on the chat box has want to say something.
But for the coupon code, we need to register now.
मैम कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग वाला पेज नहीं खुल रहा।
आप रिफ्रेश करके देखिए, मे बी आपका नेटवर्क का इशू होगा, इस वजह से वो शायद लोड नहीं हो रहा है।
मैम कूपन कोड लेट आता है क्या मेल पे?
The course is free. लेट नहीं आता है, एक्चुअली the coupon code is being sent from our side. तो वी हैव बीन सेंड यू एक्चुअली, अगर आप रात को ही ईमेल्स आ जाने चाहिए, बट एक दो चीज अगर कोई बच गया होगा तो वो आपको आज तक आ जाएगा। जो ईमेल आईडी मैंने यहाँ पे डाला है, आपको ईमेल आईडी से एक बार सर्च करके देखिए, मे बी यू माइट हैव रिसीव्ड एन ईमेल। या फोन नंबर पे अगर आप वेरीफाई करोगे तो भी चलेगा। एंड दिस कोर्स इज फॉर फ्री। Sushant Anil Patil says it's in spam folder. So guys, do check your spam folder once. You might have received it. Okay, I agree terms के बाद आप जब क्लिक करोगे, it will regenerate to a new page. आप लॉग इन हो जाओगे तभी। Okay, if it's showing कि you have to verify the email also, then I suggest कि आप email भी verify करो। So guys, we'll move forward with the psychometric test. जिसको NSDC का कूपन कोड नहीं आया है, उनको आ जाएगा by the end of the day. आप अपना स्पैम फोल्डर भी चेक करो, मे बी आपको NSDC का मेल उसमें आया हो. And if you log in and you click on I accept all the terms and conditions, एक पेज will pop up. अगर आपको वो पेज नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं आपको एक ये लिंक भेजती हूँ, आप प्लीज इसको कॉपी पेस्ट करके रख लीजिए so that you can log into this page directly. जो लिंक मैंने अभी भेजा है, if you go and log into this image, आपको वो वाला कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग वाला पेज मिल जाएगा. So whoever have logged in, well and good. अगर किसी का 2 attempts हो गया है तो it redirects with the message कि आपको OTP कल आएगा. तो अगर जब भी आपको OTP कल है तो आप OTP डाल के अपना email ID वेरीफाई करके लॉगिन हुआ है. ओके, तो अगर आप लॉगिन हुआ है तो आपको ये वाले पेज में NSDC कूपन कोड डालने का ऑप्शन आएगा. आप थोड़ा पेज
We can't see your screen now. We can't see your screen now.
Okay. If you logged in और मैंने जो अभी लिंक भेजा है, आपको ये सिमिलर पेज दिखेगा. Because you are on mobile, तो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट कि आप थोड़ा नीचे स्क्रॉल करो स्क्रीन पे, तो आपको एक कूपन कोड वाला केबिन दिखेगा ही. And once you enter your coupon code, you have to click to the submit and then take यहाँ पे again you scroll up, corporate training में जाके NSDC AIF online program में click करके take up the program immediately. आप अपना स्पैम चेक कीजिए, स्पैम फोल्डर में आपको AIF ईमेल आईडी से NSDC कूपन कोड का कूपन कोड आ जाना चाहिए. अगर जिसको नहीं मिला है, by the end of the day you will receive it. Okay? किसी को और कोई डाउट्स है?
गुड मॉर्निंग
मैम लॉगिन करने के बाद मैम वो मतलब कोड आएगा और उसके बाद मैम वो कोर्स लेना है क्या ऊपर का आपने जो अभी दिखा है वो?
हाँ, करेक्ट.
और वो लेने के बाद फिर वो कूपन कोड आएगा मैम कि उसके पहले आएगा?
उसके पहले
लॉगिन करने के
कूपन
बाद
कोड आएगा. आपको कूपन कोड एक्चुअली आ जाना चाहिए. अगर आप अपना स्पैम फोल्डर चेक कीजिए, अगर आपको नहीं आया है तो आपको
मैम लॉगिन करने
रात
के बाद ना?
हाँ, लॉगिन करने के बाद आपको कूपन कोड डालना है, फिर वो ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम लेना है.
ओके मैम, चलेगा चलेगा.
मैम इनवैलिड कूपन कोड दिखा रहा है.
इनवैलिड
इनवैलिड.
कूपन. आपने वो जो कैप्स लेटर या फिर स्मॉल है वो एकदम बड़ी ठीक से डाला?
यस मैम, कॉपी पेस्ट किया था मैंने.
ओके. whoever have the problem with the
मैम वो
coupon code, आप
कोर्स का
अपना
नाम
नाम
वापस जरा बताएंगे एक बार?
वेट, मैं आपको बताती हूँ स्क्रीन शेयर करके. कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग करके यहाँ पे ऊपर ऑप्शन आएगा, आप उस पे कर्सर आप उस पे क्लिक करोगे कि फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है ना, वही आपको सिलेक्ट करना है. NSDC AIF ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम.
ठीक है मैम, समझ गया समझ गया.
ओके. और किसी को कोई डाउट?
मैम मेरा इनवैलिड दिखा रहा है, उस पर क्या करने का?
ओके. आपका नेम क्या है, मेरे को एक बार बता दीजिए, मैं नोट करके आई लेट यू नो क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
मैम कूपन कोड बताओ.
नो, व्हाट्स योर नेम? शिवम गायकवाड़.
शिवम गायकवाड़. यस.
मैं अपनी टीम को पूछ के बताऊंगी व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम दैट्स हैपनिंग.
ओके मैम.
Okay. So now we are done with this. I will move forward with the career mentoring test. Okay. This is अभी जो मैं career mentoring test है जो मैंने आपको कहा था while we were discussing PPT में कि this test based आपका interest and personality के ऊपर based test है. ये test is very helpful and it can help you in your career planning के decisions में आपको help करेगा. तो मैं भी आपको लिंक्स भेजूंगी. आप ये अगर आप इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मराठी में आप ये ले सकते हो. सो वट एवर लैंग्वेज यू आर. ओके. योगेश घोरपड़े सेल्स की मैम तुमने तो कॉर्पोरेट स्टाफ पेज नाही. ओके. तुम मोबाईल मधून करतोय का की लॅपटॉप मधून करतोय? मोबाईल मधून करतोय ना. तर तुझ्याकडे PC वगैरे असेल ना, तर आय सजेस्ट की तू त्यावर पण करून बघ एकदा.
मॅम असं पण करू शकतो ना, म्हणजे जे ब्राउझर आहे ना त्याचे 3 डॉटचं बटन दाबून डेस्कटॉप व्हर्जन तिथे लिहिलंय, तर ते क्लिक पण केलं तर ते मोबाईलवर डेस्कटॉप व्हर्जन येईल ना?
हो, तसं पण तुम्ही करू शकता. मोबाईल मध्ये नाही होत म्हणजे त्या
हा, मग
फॉर्मॅट
ज्यांच्याकडे
मध्ये नाही.
पीसी आहे त्यांना बरं आहे.
हा, तर तुम्ही ते डेस्कटॉप ऑप्शन मधून करा. बहुत जनों को नहीं मिला है क्या कूपन कोड? हेलो. ओके. आई विल शेयर एक्सेल शीट विद यू. आपके नाम के सामने वो NSDC कूपन कोड होगा, आप वो कॉपी पेस्ट कर लीजिए। आप में से कोई वो लिंक कॉपी पेस्ट करके अपने ग्रुप पे डाल दो ताकि वो मिस आउट नहीं हो जाए। मैं एक लिंक आपको भेज रही हूँ कॉपी पेस्ट करके। आप इस पे अपना नाम और डिटेल्स दे दीजिए जिसको नहीं मिला है, सो दैट हम आपको सेपरेटली ईमेल कर देंगे। कैन यू प्लीज ओपन दिस लिंक? आप अपना the sheet will ask you information like नेम, आपका क्लास, आपका रोल नंबर, ईमेल आईडी, फोन नंबर। तो आप वहाँ पे वो डिटेल्स भर दीजिए और रिमार्क्स में जिस लिखिए कि NSDC कूपन कोड नॉट रिसीव, या फिर जिसको इनवैलिड आ रहा है वहाँ पे लिखिए NSDC कूपन कोड इनवैलिड। ओके मनीषा Barkol, have you raised your hand? Okay. Now we'll move forward with the current mentoring test. I'll share the links, open the link, and we'll take the test together. Okay? The course है ना show है, जैसे वहाँ पे someone among you told कि डेस्कटॉप वर्जन वाला करके देखो, मे बी आपको तभी आए। मैंने जो ये वाला गूगल डॉक वाला एक शीट भेजा है, आप वो प्लीज कॉपी पेस्ट करके अपने ग्रुप में भेजिए। आप ओपन कीजिए, क्या डिटेल से आस्क करता है नेम, योर ईमेल आईडी, योर फोन नंबर एंड रिमार्क। जिसको कूपन कोड नहीं मिला है काइंडली राइट कूपन कोड नॉट रिसीव आणि ज्यांचे इनव्हॅलिड येतोय तिकडे तुम्ही लिहा की कूपन कोड इनव्हॅलिड। मग काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे आम्ही ते रिझॉल्व्ह करून तुम्हाला परत मेल करतो। ओके एम आई क्लियर?
हेलो मैम,
हाँ बोला। यस
पॉपुलर कोर्स पेज ओपन होता है।
मतलब कोर्स से पेज ओपन होता है?
पॉपुलर कोर्सेस।
पॉप्युलर कोर्सेस, अच्छा तुम्ही लॉग इन केलंय?
येस।
ओके मी तुम्हाला इकडे एक लिंक पाठवलेलं, तुम्ही ते लिंक वर क्लिक करून बघा, तुम्हाला कुठलं पेज दाखवत आहे।
ओके।
Hello, Sanjana.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt, Chinmaya. So I can see most of you guys are trying to, log in or register from your mobile. To make it more convenient, if you are from mobile, go to the Play Store. There is an app called as eSkill India e-learning aggregator form NSDC. If you install that app, you open the app, log in or sign up. As soon as you log in, there is an option which comes up at select the program. And in the select the program, as you open it, there is an option of AIF. So rather than opening it from the browser, if you go via app, it will be more convenient for you. So try that once, go to Play Store, download that app. I'll try and I can put the link over here. So it will be, there is no
Just
issue.
put
Like
the name of the app and if possible put the link.
It's a small app. It's a 20 MB app. So there should be no problem. I'll put the link, wait.
Yeah.
हॅलो मॅम,
Yeah.
लॉगिंगचं पेज ओपन होत आहे.
हा, तर तुम्ही तिकडे लॉग इन केलं का?
नो मॅम.
हा, लॉग इन करा. मग तुम्हाला तिकडे NSDC कुपन कोडचं ऑप्शन येईल. तुमच्याकडे NSDC कुपन कोड असेल तर ते तिकडे टाका, सबमिट करा आणि ते कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग मध्ये जाऊन फर्स्ट ऑप्शन आहे ना, NSDC AIF ऑनलाईन प्रोग्राम, तिकडे क्लिक करा. Chinmay, if you can explain the entire process once more in Hindi or Marathi, that would be better.
Just do one thing. Like maybe we can start with the CMT. I'll explain them the eSkill India enrollment.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. तर तुमचा काही अजून NSDC चा डाऊट असेल ना, तो आम्ही नंतर सॉल्व्ह करू. आता इम्पॉर्टंट, मी आता लिंक पाठवते तुम्हाला. ओके, इफ यू गाइज आर कम्फर्टेबल इन हिंदी, मराठी और इंग्लिश whatever, आता मी CMT टेस्ट घेणार. डू यू गाइज रिमेंबर आय स्पोक अबाउट करियर मेंटरिंग टेस्ट इन द PPT? याद है किसी को?
यस मैम.
ओके, तो अब हम वो टेस्ट करेंगे साथ में. we'll take the test. Okay, it's very short test and एकदम MCQ type question. That's very generic and general, but the result of it, whatever you receive, it will really help you a lot. तो अगर आपको लिंक दिख रहा है जो मैं चैट में मैंने डाला है, इंग्लिश, हिंदी एंड मराठी के लिंक्स है. तो अगर आप मराठी में कंफर्टेबल हो तो आप मराठी वाले लिंक पे क्लिक करो. अगर आप हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल हो तो आप हिंदी वाला लिंक क्लिक करो. अगर आप इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल हो तो आप इंग्लिश वाला लिंक क्लिक करो. आई क्लिक ऑन द इंग्लिश लिंक एंड आई शेयर माय स्क्रीन. तो आपको दिखेगा कि ये CMT टेस्ट कैसे दिखता है और आप हम लोग साथ में करेंगे. ओके, इज दैट फाइन?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. So as you click on the link, let me know कि आपका पेज ओपन हुआ है कि नहीं. आपको ऐसा एक सिमिलर पेज ओपन हुआ है? आपने जो भी लैंग्वेज में क्लिक किया है वैसे?
Yes.
Okay. In your email address, please add your email address. I'm doing it with you guys so that आपको भी समझ में आ जाएगी. How can we do it? And Chinmay, can you please read out the chats for me? I won't be able to see it.
Yes, sure.
Add your surname. Okay. So now यहाँ पे did you guys, आप लोगों ने नाम, सरनेम, फर्स्ट नेम, जेंडर, एज, मोबाइल नंबर, कॉलेज नेम, वो सारी डिटेल्स आपने भर लिए?
Yes.
Now you can see 10th mark. तो आपको 10th में जितना भी परसेंटेज हुआ है और जो बार में है वहां पे क्लिक कीजिए।
मैम
आप
मैम
हाँ जी बोलिए।
ये पेज ओपन नहीं हो रहा है।
ओपन ही नहीं हो रहा है?
नो मैम।
रिफ्रेश करके देखिए। आप वाईफाई पे है कि मतलब डेटा पे हो? मे बी उस
Data.
वजह से भी, मे बी दैट इज द रीजन ये नहीं हो रहा है। आप ट्राई टू रिफ्रेश करके देखिए, अगर होता होगा तो
मैम लास्ट में कंप्लीट एड्रेस विद पिन कोड है मैम, क्या करना है उसका लास्ट में?
आपका जो होम एड्रेस है आप वो दीजिए और पिन कोड नंबर डालिए।
मैम CMT का पोर्टल ओपन हो रहा है।
ये वाला पेज नहीं ओपन हो रहा है? ये गूगल डॉक का ये है। Are you taking it which language? हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मराठी, किसमें आपने ओपन किया? इंग्लिश, राइट? Just a second. Try to click again. अगर मैं इंग्लिश वाला में 1 मिनट, I'll just put it. जिसको अभी वो इंग्लिश वाला ओपन नहीं हो रहा था, ट्राई टू क्लिक ऑन दिस वन एंड लेट मी नो वो खुल रहा है क्या।
ओपन हो रहा है
ना? अभी
हाँ।
किसी को इशू था ना जो नहीं हो रहा था? आप लोगों ने वो डिटेल्स फिल किए?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You click on the next, तो आपको ये वाला एक शीट आएगा। ये वाला शीट आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. तो यहाँ पे के questions है, these are very questions, these are generic based and day to day life based. तो इस questions को किस तरीके से आप आंसर करोगे ना? अभी suppose the first question is I am an anxious person. Okay. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप anxious person हो and if you agree to it, so there is like the range, आप किस तरीके से ये statement को agree करते हो। अगर आप strongly disagree करते हो तो आप first पे click करोगे। अगर आप normal disagree करते हो you do what on second. If you are neutral, मतलब हाँ भी नहीं और नहीं भी नहीं, तो आप third पे click करोगे। If you agree to the statement and you agree that yes I am an anxious person, तो आप fourth पे click करोगे। And if you say कि yes I strongly agree, तो आप fifth पे click करोगे। Agree और strongly agree के या फिर strongly disagree और disagree के basis के इसमें बस इतना difference है कि अगर आपको लगता है कि yes ये statement एकदम ज्यादा सही है तो आप 1 पे click करो। अगर आप normal हो statement को लेके तो आप agree या disagree पे click करो। क्या आपको समझा? Hello? Did you understand how do you want to answer to the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now take up the questions. Do it. I'll do some questions with you and then I'll give you time to do it for yourself. जिसका जैसे खत्म होता है, let me know कि I am done कर. Okay? Yeah. क्या?
पेज ओपन ही नहीं हो रहा है, नेटवर्क इश्यू है थोड़ा, तो बाद में करेंगे तो चलेगा क्या?
ओके चलेगा, अभी नेटवर्क इशू है तो
लॉगिन फेल्ड बता रहा है।
गूगल डॉक पे लॉगिन फेल बता रहा है।
मीन्स वो लिंक पे क्लिक ही नहीं हो रहा है।
तो फिर जब भी आपका नेटवर्क अच्छा होगा तभी आप करो, बट whoever just do it with me, I'll do some में थोड़े क्वेश्चंस आपके साथ करती हूँ, एंड अगर आपको किसी क्वेश्चन में डाउट वगैरह हो तो मुझे बताओ, आई एम सिटिंग ऑनलाइन, एंड जिसका जैसे हो जाएगा टेक्स्ट चैट पे मैसेज करो आई एम डन और टेल मी कि आई एम डन करके। जब the majority of the people will be done with the CMT test, likewise we'll move forward with the motion. Okay? Okay, guys?
Okay, ma'am.
किसी को कुछ डाउट्स वगैरह है तो जस्ट फील फ्री टू लेट मी नो। ओके, अनम्यूट करके आप मुझे बोल सकते हो या फिर चैट पे भी कर सकते हो, नहीं तो एटलीस्ट चिन्मय विल बी देयर जो आपके डाउट सॉल्व कर देगा।
I hope all the students are taking the test. Students, please take the test. It is very important. You'll come to know की तुम्हाला काय तुमचं पर्सनॅलिटी आहे, तुमचा इंटरेस्ट लेवल काय आहे, सगळं समजेल तुम्हाला. तर सगळ्या स्टुडंट्सना माझा एक रिक्वेस्ट आहे की प्लीज ही टेस्ट तुम्ही घ्या तुमच्या एंडला.